Okay guys, I'm going to show you real quick, because it's so quick and simple, how to multiply fractions. You saw on the slide before that the 3 steps to multiplying fractions are very simple. You multiply the numerators, you multiply the denominators, and then you simplify if you have to. So in your spiral or on your piece of loose leaf paper that you're going to put into your spiral tomorrow, I'd like you to copy down the following notes. Oops. We're going to start with fairly simple fractions. Let's go 1/2 times 3/4. So we know that the steps for multiplying fractions are to multiply the numerators, so we're going to do that first. 1 times 3 equals 3. The next step is to multiply the denominators. 2 times 4 equals 8. So there's our fraction. We then have to look at our fraction and ask ourselves, is there anything other than 1 that goes into the numerator and the denominator? And there isn't, so we know that fraction is in simplest form. Let's try one more, and then I'm going to have you do a couple on your own. Let's try 6/7 times 9/10. Again, step 1 when we multiply fractions is we're going to multiply the numerators. 6 times 9, hopefully we know, is 54. Put our little viculum. 7 times 10 equals 70. So there's our product. But before I give my answer, I have to look. And I can look and I see that that ends in a 4 and that ends in a 0. So I know they're both divisible by 2. So I'm going to simplify by 2. I'm going to divide 54 by 2, and I'm going to divide 70 by 2. Well, I know right away that 70 divided by 2 is 35. So I'm going to put that as my denominator. But I got to check. Let's do 54 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down my 4. 2 goes into 14 7 times. So I know my numerator now is 27/35. So I look at that. Is there any factor that goes into 27 and 35? There's not, so that's my answer. I'm going to write 2 problems for you guys to do in your notes on your own, and that's going to be the end of this lesson. Short, sweet, and simple. Your warm-up tomorrow in math is going to be to correct and check these 2 answers with the people at your group. So the first problem is 6/8 times 9/12. And your second problem is 7/9 times 1/2. Good luck.